Hi, welcome to week 3. Congratulations on making it this far in the class. You have done an excellent job so far. It's been really wonderful reading about your personal experiences, and I always feel so honored that you are so willing to share a bit of you with me. So thank you for your honesty and your forthcomingness of your vulnerability. I really appreciate it. I also can see a lot of really great ideas percolating. So this is the week where you're actually going to start writing. So this week you're going to submit 2 of your first drafts of 2 of the PIQs. So your choice as far as which prompts you want to focus on. But remember that you'll have an opportunity to rewrite these 2 drafts, and I will be providing feedback for everyone. In addition to the writing, we do have class this week, same time, same place. It is mandatory, and I look forward to seeing everyone there. With smiling faces, cameras on, and we'll get a chance to be together again. So let's get started, and please feel free to reach out with any questions or concerns. This is a big week because you are writing, and you will be making an appointment with a counselor as well. I'm happy to meet with you if you don't have someone that you typically regularly meet with. So I look forward to another great week. Let's get started.